Hey guys, thought I'd do a little commentary for once. I've had quite a few people recently ask me to do it, so thought I'd give it a shot and see what you guys think and run through Dr. T for today. Wasn't too difficult today, so stages 1, 2 and 3, as always, done with just GBE critters. Nothing exciting to watch, so that's why I don't normally put them in the video. Just playing around with it a little bit here, and it was just time to get it done. Stage 4, probably could have done this one with critters as well, but figured it might take a bit too long, so I thought I'd throw some troops out instead. Now, if you're a lower level, what you might want to do is go around the left side, so there's plenty of GBE to be collected up around here, which means then you can buy out this and these two here. Smoking, it's a really easy smoke path then, you can just smoke in behind the core, and 1 or 2 shots would have done it, but I'd like to go down this route. So the flare point here, when it drops, there's always a little corner just here, and if you flare to that bit, you know you're always going to get a consistent walk. It's easy to judge where they'll split. So I'll speed this up a little bit. I could have got away with just a single smoke on the end, but they do have a tendency to spread out far when you're against a wall like that, so double smoke just to be safe. And then on to stage 5. I wasn't too happy with this attack, even though I didn't lose much. It was, again, just a little bit messy. Take out these mortars. I could have eaten this one mine if I'd have taken a straight route from just here below this stone, but I didn't really think of that at the time. This flare probably should have been under the tree to the left of it. So the flare point just at the top there is always going to be next to that crate, but again, they took a strange walk, worked out alright in the end. Critters out there, did like that shot there, little 4 shot, that was nice. And we're going to stage 6. So just going to clear a little bit in front of the core, make a nice little place for the Zookas to sit. There's a lot of rocket launchers on this one today, so bit of a dodgy drop as well. Didn't actually get brick down in the drop, even though I thought I pressed it enough. So didn't manage to get brick to the core. Dropped it too late. Speed this up a little bit. Hit 4 shocks here. And the critters as well, just to save a few girls. I need to shock this one here. And stage 7. This one always looks a little bit more daunting when you've got this left side HU. Yeah. It's just about where you clear. There's plenty of machine guns that can rip your goals apart if you're coming up on this front left side here. I dropped all my girls over here, a little bit more GBE to collect. We all know Brick has a tendency to just do whatever she wants, so you can drop her late and she will catch up. You just need to make sure she doesn't lock onto any targets. Speed this up a little bit again. So that flare point there is actually really important. I did this on my lower account and didn't flare there, I just flared straight over to the kill zone and Brick got too far ahead, which meant the girls were lagging behind in the smoke. I had to use more smoke to cover them. So just make sure you do that one first. And then exit over to the kill zone. Peek out the back a little bit, but that wasn't really an issue. You see we've got our 3 shots and some critters, and down goes the ball. Boom! All done. That's my guide for today's Dr. T. Let me know what you think of the commentary in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Cheers!